What is up, YouTube, and welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, we are going to be talking about Ethereum, both in the short term as well as the bigger picture. So without further ado, let's get straight into today's video. All right, so we're starting off here with Ethereum on the daily candlesticks, and we're checking out our Elliott wave count here for Ethereum. So as you can see, we have an ABC correction here. This is actually an expanded flat ABC correction because the B wave goes slightly above the top of wave 0. But you can see here the subwaves very clearly. We have an ABC subwave down, followed by an ABC subwave up in between wave A and B. And then from B to C, we have 5 waves down, which is exactly what we're looking for in an expanded flat correction. As you can see, here is an expanded flat correction, and this is the subwaves inside of the Elliott wave for this expanded flat. So we have ABC down, ABC up, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down from B to C. So that's typically what an expanded flat looks like from a subwave perspective. And as you can see, after we formed our bottom formation down here at wave C, we started to recover, and we've seen 5 waves up and an ABC correction down. Now we're testing our horizontal support. So all of this used to be resistance, and now it has become support. All of this resistance is now support, and we're starting to bounce off of that support level. So this is a classic breakout retest where you break out above the old resistance level and it comes back down and tests that level as support in preparation for more continuation. The other thing that we see here is we are oversold on the MACD. We're down here on the bottom. These two lines, whenever these two lines are up on the top half, it's overbought, meaning that it probably needs to pull back. And whenever those two lines are on the bottom half, that means that it's oversold and the market probably needs to bounce up off of those lows. So be watching for a strong reaction off of this horizontal support level based on us being oversold, based on us breaking out of resistance and testing it again as support, and based on the ABC correction after 5 waves up here on the daily candlesticks. So this is looking really good on the daily for Ethereum. I know a lot of people are bearish right now. A lot of people are thinking of more downside. A lot of people are trying to call the top on the crypto markets, but everything from a technical perspective here on the daily candlesticks for Ethereum is looking bullish, and it is showing signs of us needing to go higher here, and it is showing strength. Even though everybody else is saying one thing, the charts are saying another. So loving Ethereum here on the daily candlesticks. Now let's go ahead and check out Ethereum in a bigger time frame. So here we're looking at Ethereum on the 15-day candlesticks. So we're way zoomed out here, and I have Amazon over here on the right and Ethereum over here on the left. And what you can actually see here is just how similar this cycle on Amazon is to Ethereum currently. So this is Amazon during the internet bubble. We had a huge run up here, followed by a big correction and a recovery on Amazon. That recovery led to a massive bull market, a new all-time high, and a huge uptrend that's actually still continuing clear till this day on Amazon.com. Now over here on the left, we actually see the same structure on Ethereum currently with a huge parabolic run in 2021, followed by a big bear market in 2022 and a big recovery over the years that came after. So this looks pretty much identical to Amazon in every single way. We even have the same V-shaped recovery followed by a breakout and a retest of support, which is exactly what we see over here on Ethereum. A nice V-shaped recovery followed by a breakout and a retest of horizontal support. So based on this comparison, I am expecting a huge increase in value on Ethereum. This bull market could be huge. I know a lot of people are trying to say bear market, a lot of people are trying to call the top, but I just don't see it in the charts. I personally believe we are headed into one of the biggest bull markets for crypto in human history. And this is only the start. I know a lot of people are waiting for their altcoins to start to run. We've started to see a little bit of a run here with Ethereum, XRP, and a few others, but we really have not yet seen that full-blown bull market that we normally see with the altcoins, and Bitcoin, I believe, is only just getting started. So that means if you're willing to take the risk, if you're willing to buy when other people are afraid, if you're willing to see beyond the crowd, tune out from all of the noise and take advantage of the opportunity that is right in front of your face, you have a chance to make a lot of money in the cryptocurrency markets with even pretty small amounts of money. But I would say the more the merrier when it comes to crypto. So don't lose focus of the bigger picture. Don't let the daily candlesticks or what people are saying on the news or what people are saying on YouTube channels or X accounts or even TradingView scare you out of the market. Make sure you look at the charts, do your own research, look at these markets for what they are, and do not get taken away and distracted by all of the FUD, because there is a lot of FUD right now in the crypto markets. And if you guys are new to crypto and you don't know what FUD is fear, uncertainty, and doubt. This is usually intentional, people trying to scare people out of the market with news articles or various things to distract you from what's going to happen, to get you thinking about the short term and to get you selling your assets when it's the best time to buy. So this is a very, very common strategy and technique that people use to shake investors out of the market right before a huge increase in value. And that's what I'm seeing right now is a lot of FUD, a lot of people using news articles, a lot of people using various things to convince themselves that it's time to get out of the market, when really the charts are showing a perfect opportunity to be buying the dip in preparation for the big pump that we've all been waiting for. So whether you're looking at Ethereum on the 15-day candlesticks or you're looking at Ethereum on the daily candlesticks, we do see reasons to be bullish on this market, to be expecting a big picture recovery, and to be expecting big picture continuation in these markets all the way to a new all-time high. And how long or how big or how sustained the uptrend will be, nobody honestly knows. But if you're willing to take advantage of what's about to happen, you can ride the majority of the uptrend. You can make a bunch of money in these markets with very little effort if you're willing to take the risk and take advantage of the opportunity that's right in front of your face right now. The other thing that we see here is the total crypto market cap does have a 5-wave structure, followed by an expanded flat correction, wave A, wave B, and wave C. So this is a perfect example of an Elliott wave structure here in the markets in preparation for more continuation and more Elliott waves to come. When it comes to the cryptocurrency markets, you definitely want to be paying attention to these expanded flat corrections, which we see here with the total crypto market cap. Again, this is what it looks like. Wave A, wave B, and wave C. Wave B going up above the top of wave 0, as opposed to a regular zigzag correction where wave B is actually below the top of wave 0. So that's a very common pattern here in the crypto markets when I've seen over and over again. It's a very common way for the whales to shake people out of the market before it goes higher. So be watching for continuation in the crypto total market cap, as well as Ethereum and the altcoins and pretty much the entire crypto market as a whole. So that's my update on Ethereum. Be ready for big things. Don't lose sight of the big picture. Don't lose focus. You guys have an opportunity to get rich in these markets. Make sure you take advantage of it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did, do me a favor and share it with your friends, as well as hitting that like button and subscribing if you're not a subscriber to this channel. And yeah, thank you for tuning in to today's video. I love you. I appreciate you. I look forward to seeing you guys in future videos. And as always, Stay profitable out there.